Good morning, students. Welcome you all in your class of English. Student, you are this time doing the exercise of chapter 4, Patol Babu film star. And in last video, I discussed so many questions from the exercise. At the same time, from the chapter, inside chapter. Exercise questions are here. Broadening the approach, broadening the concept of the story. And I'm sure this story entertained you a lot. And this part of the video too will broaden and widen your thinking about the chapter, about the characters, about the event and the concept. So please pay attention and do note that the things being discussed about the characters, event, that all is very remarkable, very interesting. In the last video, I discussed here up to 4A questions, 4A and B, as there are so many sub-parts of the questions, and so it takes time to detail, and until you understand the answer in detail only, you cannot get satisfaction. So you should pay attention and see the next question, what the next question demands. What is the next question? That is here 4C, 4A and B. Up to 4A and B we have already discussed. I have explained you in the last video session. And this is second video session of question answer. That is from understanding the text. I don't only just discuss the questions from your exercise. As you know, I frame several questions from every chapter so that when you understand and when you discuss and listen the answers, that will clear your doubt, any kind of doubt that comes in your mind about the story, about any event of the story, about any character of the story. And that's why let us see here in the next question, that is 4C. How did these words help Patol Babu become a sincere team player? The words were, you know, here in 4C, that word was, what was the word there? So let us see here. That was here, a true actor could make a mark with this one syllable. That was what the line in the last video I had shared, and you can see the question, you can understand better. So here question is, how did these words help Patol Babu become a sincere team player? Answer: Patol Babu uttered word "oh." You remember very well what was the dialogue that was offered to Patol Babu to tell in the movie. Single word, okay, monosyllabic word, that was "oh." And student, if you yourself pronounce this word "oh" in different way, then it will inflect different sets of meaning. This single syllable word, when as sometimes you pronounce this one "oh" when you are in pain, when you are sad, in different ways, when you get hurt, okay, or sometimes you miss something. So in different sets, to express different sets of meaning, you pronounce different ways the same word "oh." So Patol Babu also uttered the word "oh" again and again, giving it a different inflection each time, and felt that keen anticipation the term "oh." He realized that when he spoke this word in different way, with a different inflection, then it produced different sets of meaning each time. And what was the need in the movie? What was the incident? What was the circumstance he had to speak this word? So he was trying to produce that kind of sound, that kind of meaning in that word. He realized that a true actor could act impressively even with single syllable, and thus became a sincere team player. He realized if the actor is truly dedicated, if the person is truly a good actor, then he could give his impression in that movie, okay, with a single syllable word, one word, small word like oh. And in this way, when he realized and spoke, he performed his role, he really felt that it was truly very appreciating, and all the crew members appreciated his work, his performance, his pronunciation at the time he needed to speak. And he no doubt proved that he was really a sincere team player. Question now, it is here B2. B exercise 2 question. Here, let us see here. What is that? The true actor could make a mark with this one syllable. This is a statement. The true actor could make a mark with this one syllable. Now, on basis of this statement, you have been given here the question. What syllable is Patol Babu referring to? What discovery did he make about the syllable? There are two parts of the question. Let's here discuss one by one. What syllable is Patol Babu referring to? You all know, all of you know that, just I do feel, I am sure. Patol Babu is referring to the monosyllabic term O. Monosyllabic means single syllabic term O. Patol Babu discovered that the same exclamation, O is an exclamatory word, you know, when this is spoken to express what kind of feelings. So Patol Babu discovered that the same here exclamation, when spoken in different ways, carried different sets of meaning. He found that a man in despair, when you are in just really disappointment, that is despair, or in sorrow, or a wounded person, this exclamatory word is here used in different ways at different circumstances. So he felt that when it is spoken in sorrow or in despair, or a wounded person pronunciates the same word with a different inflection each time. In this way, Patol Babu discovered different kinds of O's. He himself spoke the same word O's several times, and an extraordinary quality of a true actor. He no doubt discovered this word in a different way, and he found that no doubt it was the quality of a true actor to discover and produce that kind of really sound like that. It was really very interesting for him to do so. Next, B is here. B question. How did Patol Babu use this discovery and make a mark with his acting? Encouraged by the words of his mentor, Pakrasi, you know very well, Pakrasi Babu, he was his mentor in his theatre when he was working in theatre. So he was encouraged when he remembered his mentor's word, what he had told about the role. And you remember, the role was not big or small, the performance was big and small. Okay, words should not be seen in the movie, the length of the role should not be here seen in the movie, but whatever role is given, a true actor performs and proves that he is truly a dedicated actor, a good actor. So he was encouraged by these words of his mentor. Patol Babu practiced speaking that one syllable dialogue O for several times in various ways. After practicing for half an hour, he performed the role in significant manner and a mark with his acting. He made the people feel that he was a true actor. He spoke that word very appropriately for the circumstance, for the situation that was needed at that time, as he collided the actor. Now C question is here. Do you think this made him a true actor? Why do you think so? Yes, I think this made him a true actor. Single syllable word, oh, so short, so just a small role to play. And if he impressed the crew members, not crew members, even the director of the film appreciated his role, certainly he made everybody feel that he was a true actor. Patol Babu added numerous special touches to his monosyllabic dialogue, which made his performance an extraordinary one. He worked with full dedication and perfection. He worked with full dedication and full perfection and got immensely satisfied after his performance. He himself was satisfied. He had been an actor, theatre actor, and so he found that what he did in his role, what touches he really gave in that single word, he was satisfied. Even the director, Baren Malik, the name of the director of that film was Baren Malik. So even the director, Baren Malik, appreciated his performance. All these clearly depicts that Patol Babu was indeed a true actor. There was no doubt in that. Now there is C1, exercise C. From the same here, statement is different. Jolly good. Why? You are quite an actor. This is the statement. This is the sentence taken from your text. You are doing here reference to context. The line is taken, statement is taken from the story. On basis of that, questions are framed and we are discussing about that questions. What does this line tell you about the film crew's attitude towards Patol Babu? What does this line tell you about the film crew's attitude towards Patol Babu? This line tells us that the film crew was surprised. They all were surprised by Patol Babu's extraordinary performance and appreciated his acting qualities. They all appreciated his acting qualities in the way he had spoken and he has performed the role. They too were surprised. So these were some of the questions, and with these will be so many other questions that I have here set for you to discuss in the class, online class. So I am sure today's questions and answers will have given you a very good concept, wider concept of the story. And I am sure, I do hope that you are writing down all the questions in your copy, you are learning them. So in the next video that will come, we have some more questions here, a number of questions you have. I will discuss them all, and till then, thank you for being with me. Thank you, students.